Amartesh Paresh Mahapatram, and today we are here to learn into an interesting topic, secrets of the sun. Now let us look at the first point, appearance of the sun. Sun is a gigantic sphere of hot gas. Unlike other planets, sun is made up of gases, and sun is not solid. And sun is the nearest star to our earth, and sun is the only star in all our entire solar system. All planets revolve around the sun. Now let us look at the second point. See, sun and earth. The life on the earth has flourished because of the light received from the sun. It means sunlight has an important impact on the life on earth. But the creation of life on the earth has formed at the center of the sun. At the center of the sun, due to nuclear fission, the hydrogen atoms and the helium atoms fuse with each other, and due to this fission, the light and heat energy is formed. And when the light and heat energy falls on the earth, then life gets created and intelligent species of life gets formed. But let us now look at the secrets of the sun. First, sunspot. You may be thinking that sun is entirely hot, but it's not. Sun has small amount of cold, and it is known as sunspot. Sunspots are places on the sun that are very cold from the rest part of the sun, and the coolness on the sun is in negative degree. So it means sun is not entirely hot. Solar flares. Like we see in earth, sometimes due to disturbances, there is volcanic eruptions. In this way, due to disturbances in the sun, the solar flare is formed on the sun. And this solar flare creates an type of mixing or bending on the sun layers. Now, let us look at another. Prominences. Like we see on the earth, that waves are formed, ripples are formed, or tides are formed. In this way, sun sometimes sends loops of hot gases, and that is known as prominences. We could sometimes see these loops in the space also, and it is one of the important points for the formation of aurora borealis. Now let us look at another point, solar eclipses. Solar eclipses is of three types: umbral solar eclipse, penumbral solar eclipse, and total solar eclipse. Solar eclipse forms when moon comes in between the sun and the earth. Because of the moon comes in between the sun, the light rays or the sun rays that are falling on the earth gets reflected or gets pushed there. Due to this, some of the places on the earth gets cold there for some times. Now let us look how the sun is formed. Sun is formed of 72% hydrogen, 26% helium, and 2% elements lighter than the helium. So these are the elements of the sun. Now let us look at the property of the sun. Sun is an ordinary types of star. There are various types of stars. Due to temperature impact, the stars have been classified into various types. So our sun type is an ordinary star, and our sun is now passing in its medieval stage of life. The mass of the sun is 2 into 10 is to the power 30 kg. Actually, it's different because sometimes due to various impacts on the sun, the solar flares or solar effects, there are mass changes on the sun. Radius. The radius of the sun is 6,95,700. And now let us look at the surface temperature. The surface temperature of the sun is 5,800 K. The full form of K is Kelvin. It means the sun's temperature is very hot from the surface only. Temperature at the center, means at the core of the sun. It is 1.5 into 10 is to the power 7 Kelvin. It means it is very much hot than the surface temperature. Age of the sun. The age of the sun is 4.5 into 10 is to the 9 years. As we know that sun has formed directly after the Big Bang has occurred, which occurred 4.5 billion years ago. That means we could say that the age of the sun is 4.5 billion years ago. So since the formation of the universe, our sun has been witnesses to various impacts from the great bombardment to the formation of life. So there are many hidden secrets of the sun. Today I shared with you some secrets. Thank you.